Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Microsoft account is unified across devices. This centralizes points. Sign into Edge and the Bing app, then set Edge as your default browser so searches count automatically. Once done, enable Sync and Verify Rewards shows your account. Do this now because Rewards ties activity to a single identity. If devices or accounts mismatch, you'll lose eligible credit. This immediate alignment unlocks the first search daily and app bonuses that compound over time. Now focus on the middle of the funnel, consistent search and task completion. Use Edge on desktop and the Bing mobile app because Microsoft tracks desktop and mobile separately. Alternate to capture both allotments. While searching, open the rewards dashboard to do daily sets and quizzes. These are quick, high-value tasks that stack. Also run Xbox searches if you have a console. Keep searches natural to avoid lockouts. Spacing them through the day helps ensure everything credits properly. Finish by converting accumulated points into value and resolving issues. Redeem for gift cards or Xbox content when you hit thresholds. This prevents point expiration and locks in value. If points don't appear, make sure Sync is on and review rewards history. Sometimes crediting lags up to 72 hours. If it still fails, sign into the support portal and submit a rewards credit inquiry with activity timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Edge cache and sign out / in to force account reevaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.